mandated to the university, not only in the university, in local government unit, the DRRMO, or the Disaster Risk Reduction and Management. Now, in the RA 1121, what is RA 1121? So, para to be exact yung tawag nito, yung answer, ito siya, known as the Philippine Disaster. Huwag may sulat yan, sulat mo talaga. Kasi pwede nyo man makita yan sa as the strengthening the Philippine Disaster Risk Reduction and Management System. Dapat may system siyang gagawin dito sa school. No? Through the adaptation of the NDRRMC. So yung ano nito, yung tawag nito, ano tawag yun? Yung adaptation nito from the national to local. So from local, so national is the chairman, tama. And then in the city, the chairman is the city disaster. So dito naman sa school, meron tayong actually university naman to, di ba? So dapat university disaster. So since dinalaga dito sa office na DRRMO, so we have that, ito yung DRRMO dito sa atin. Ano yung purpose niya? Is to conduct to strengthen the university from mitigation purposes. What is mitigation, by the way? Yung bang paghanda lahat ng mga estudyante sa anumang sakuna na parating or darating dito sa atin by conducting a training to not individual, department siya, as a whole. So question, actually nagbigay kami ng letter sa every department for conducting a training, diba? Diba? So yung question kasi may reply na ba? Nag-reply na ba yung department nyo? Ano yung sa section nyo? Dapat in every dito sa state view may mga coordinator kami. So try to inquire your coordinator. So doon sa kalimutan ko lang yung pangalan doon sa CTE ba? Tama? CTS. O
para na yun.
Si Darin na.
Hindi kasi wala kasi mention sa amin ni Sir Darin.
Wala talaga siya.
May na lang namin ni-ask.
So he is our coordinator from CPES. So before kayo pumunta dito, you can try question Sir Darin about training para magkaroon kayo ng awareness in regards DRRMO. So purpose ng DRRMO talaga dito is to conduct training for the purpose of mitigating circumstances. Prevention and mitigation. Para may technical know-how kayo ba? Hindi yung
Parang may alam, parang
yes, wala pa, hindi pa dumating yung sakuna. May alam na kayo. So that is an awareness. So yung training binibigay dito is preparedness. Papaala, awareness, then we, the student and faculty and even the employee, prepared. Yun ang purpose ng DRRMO. Bakit mayroon DRRMO dito sa school? So hindi lang siya tinagal dito, it is mandated according or regarding in RA 10121. Naintindihan na?
okay na, sir.
Thank you so much talaga, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Para detailed siya, just go to the Google and then see, just type RA 10121.
Okay, sir.
Then doon na lang kayo kumuha.
Thank you, sir. Thank you po.